All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So today we're going to take a look at some cases from VRS Design. Now, right now, I'm already using the case here, this first set of cases. This is one case that I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you two other versions, but this is the Quickstand by VRS Design. Now, it comes in these two colors right here, kind of this army green, and then you have the black, obviously. Now, obviously, Quickstand is because it obviously has a kickstand, so you can sit your device up. Watch whatever, if you want to watch movies or something like that, you can have it set up and get a good viewing angle on it. You can see the viewing angle there, so that's pretty good. The buttons on here, nice and tactile, good feedback on them. They respond very well. The first thing you notice is this huge lip around the device, which is why I put on the green one first, so you can actually see how big this lip is. This is a good thing. This isn't a bad thing. This is a good thing because the device really is protected when you lay it down flat like so. Now, onto the back of the device, you can see how deeply recessed the camera module is now because it does stick out a little bit. Unlike the Ultra, this one isn't as pronounced, I think, as the Ultra, but it's still pronounced. But they do have these cases for the Ultra too, by the way, so use the links in the description. But you can see how nicely recessed the camera is now. And around the case itself, man, you've got the cutouts that you need for the two microphones up top. Then you got a big cutout here for the microphone and charging cable and speaker cutout. Nothing on this side. And then obviously your power and volume. And just the case itself is full of grip. Full of grip. Now, as far as wireless charging goes, I don't think this will work. This is a metal kickstand, but this is a plastic portion here. So I don't have one of my wireless chargers, but I don't believe this will work with wireless charging. I'd have to test it out. And if VRS Design is watching, they can definitely tell me if it's available, because I don't use wireless charging. But anything with metal on the back is going to, prohibit you from using any kind of wireless charging. So just keep that in mind. I'll test these and I'll give an update probably on Instagram or something later or in the comments of this video. But that's the green. Now let's try on the black. I just wanted to try it on the green first so you can see exactly how pronounced everything is, man. And I just think that's really, really nice. Big lip around the front. And this black obviously looks great. I think both of these colors look good. Same design, just different colors. Very nice. Now the next case I'm going to show you is the Glide Pro Sandstone. That's the name of this one. And basically it sounds and looks the same. This is a rugged style case. Now it's actually soft around the edges so you can get the phone in. But it is just like, remember the OnePlus? Yeah, that's what you're looking at right here. So you slide this open, you pop a couple of cards in there, ID. You can actually get a lot of cards in here. Again, no wireless charging compatibility with this one either. You can pop at least 3 credit cards in there probably, and some cash or your ID and 2 cards, and you should be okay. And it locks in place and they will not come out because they're protected by the little lip there. So nice firm mechanism there. I don't anticipate anything falling out. You got a little VRS design on the bottom too. Little metal chin right there. And it's got this weird slanting design right here. It's cool though. So let's put the phone in. And it also has that sandstone in the inside. Would have been nice to have some kind of padding in there. But the way I combat that is I'll just take a piece of tissue or something like that and put it in there. So with this, you're going to have to go in bottom first and then go up top like that. This is a awkward design, but this is cool. If it didn't have this big wallet thing on the back, I think I would like it even more. But it's just it's a different, strange. It's strange. It's just different. So yeah, again, same cutouts and ports and everything. Deeply recessed. So I do have some concerns about that when it comes to putting a charger in there. I'm sure they can fit, but you want to make sure you're using it's a big opening, obviously, but some people might have some concerns about that. Let me see if I can find one of my chargers. Okay, here we go. No, it's perfectly fine. It's huge. That fits in there great, actually. That's beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, no problems with that at all. It fits good. Very nice. So again, huge lip on the front. I really like these big edges they have on the front of these phones. Really, really, really nice, man. Look at the way that actually looks. That's pretty dope, man. That's pretty dope. I'm feeling that. I think that's pretty nice. So, if we look at the back here, again, you've got a sloping design. You got a little bit of a little port there. When you get around this part, it's a little curve, a little slope. And that could help for dropping, because it's got little feet on here. Yeah, so when you send it down like this, it's going to be protected or whatever. But this is pretty nice. It feels fantastic, man. You're talking about something with grip. It's sandstone, so you know it's going to feel good. So let's move on to the next one here. The next one, set of cases I'm going to show you here. Here's let me see which one is next here. I got the Glide Pro, and this is just the non-sandstone version, and there's two colors here, in the army green, and so basically these are all the same. This is just the sandstone version right here. So we'll go ahead and pop on this green one, and you can see in this one it has like a soft plastic or hard plastic, but it doesn't feel as rugged as that one. And this one appears to be a lot easier to get on too. You can hear that metal mechanism in there. Again, no wireless charging or anything with this, but you should be okay for protection and getting some cards in there. Again, that port down there, that is so strange, but it's cool, but it's just so strange. I've never seen anything like that before. So this is pretty dope, man. Here they are. Let's try on the black. Different, just different. They really took a chance with this case right here, man. That is totally different. That's just a different thing, man. They've got a different thing going on. But it's your man Jay. Here are some cases from VRS Design for the Galaxy S21. Remember, they do have these for the S21 Ultra, and they have these cases for tons of other devices. So just hit up VRS Designs online, and you'll find these cases. It's your man Jay. You can also probably look on Amazon too. That's where a lot of people shop, at Amazon. But hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.